Artoonza.
Yo, vroom, vroom artists and bottle cap wizards! Did you know that boring old bottle caps are secretly toy cars just waiting to escape? That's right. They've been hiding in your recycling bin this whole time, plotting their grand transformation. Today, we're turning trash into treasure with markers, glitter, polish. Yes, Polish. Mom, if you're watching, I promise I asked permission, sort of. And paint droppers that make you feel like a mad scientist.
Wow.
This isn't just any car. This is your dream ride. The one that even Hot Wheels would be jealous of.
So cute.
So buckle up, buttercups, grab your drawing supplies, and let's race into the most really awesome art adventure ever! Give us your like. Nom nom nom. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Time for sunshine mode. This glossy yellow is so shiny, even the sun needs sunglasses. Ooh, glitter red. Why be boring when you can be extra? Sparkle it up, buttercup. Glitter black polish? We're fancy and mysterious. Classy, but knows how to party. Gold glitter. We're making a royal chariot now. This car deserves its own red carpet. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aw, so cute.
And now for the grand finale, mad scientist time. Grab your paint dropper and drop those red acrylic paint drops like you're creating a potion. Then swoosh it around with your brush like a painting wizard. Boom! Masterpiece unlocked. Smash that like button now. Color, color, color. You did it, superstar artist. You just turned simple bottle caps into the coolest glitter toy car ever. Give yourself a big high five. You've earned it. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.